Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to increase the touchscreen sensitivity on Android. Now the most common method by which you can do this is by simply open the settings app inside your phone, go ahead and click on the display option once you're on settings, and then click on to advanced features. Now once you've done that, you can see an option here which has the feature for touch sensitivity, whether to increase it for use with screen protectors or to decrease it. Now once you've done that, go ahead and tap on it, and this should toggle with the settings, and once you've done that, it will force your phone to essentially reboot the touch sensitivity software it has, and hopefully it will increase the sensitivity of your phone. Now, there is another method by which you can do this, and that is by changing the mouse and pointer. In order to do this, you simply need to go to settings. Again, click on additional settings. Once you're there, tap on general management or system, and then click on pointer speed. A new menu will appear when you click this button, and then go ahead and max out pointer speed. This will increase the touch sensitivity of your Android phone by quite a bit. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.